Weekend in Bali vlog, I guess. Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot something, didn't I? A weekend in Bali vlog. So, for those of you that didn't know, the swastika was originally Buddhist. That's why we see it used here today. And you have the nice 8-pointed star as well. These are all very reminiscent of, you know, Indonesian, Buddhist, and Tibetan cultures. So it's beautiful to see some of these older prints. As you can see, there's a massive king-size bed, there's room to work, and this is a nice touch too. If you happen to like oranges, room comes stocked with oranges. Orangey. As we take you through all the things that you get in your room. In the cupboards by the bed, you have a mini fridge stocked with Sprite and Coca-Cola. In here they've got instant coffee, not our favorites, but it does the trick. A chamomile flower tea, white sugar and brown sugar. The bathroom's really nice. There are multiple bottles of complimentary water, which bless me. These mirrors always come in handy. It's actually almost pretty easy to tell when someone's not from here. This is how you shave. I'm sure you already knew that. That looks a lot better, or not. It feels better though. Blow dryer. This is a pretty high-tech blow dryer. Iconic movie, wind shot, very fast speed. Phillips. It's the same comb we had from the airplane. Keep that for later. You never know when you need another one. Okay. Vanity kit. I don't know what a vanity kit is. I'm assuming this is probably for, well, there's a nail file. Clean your ears. A sewing kit. Oh, look at this. Pre-threaded needles. Y'all are gonna like this. Sewing kit. On the other side here, nice Listerine. These guys really do give you the full rundown. Listerine, making your breath fresher. The dental kit is nice. They've got a sweet little blue toothbrush. Oh look, it's not Colgate, ladies and gentlemen. Pepsodent. I can't read what this says at all because it's Indonesian. It's a good toothpaste. This was a nice touch. That concludes the sink portion of the bathroom. Let's check out the rest. We've got this nice cubby. Comes with 2 robes. These are nice robes. There's no such thing as luck in my mind. Oh, well this is weird. Oh, there we go. This is a nice bathroom. Ta-da! What else is in here? Mosquito repellent, Glade plug-in. If your shit doesn't not stink. Let's move on to the other side of the glass. cabinet, cubby, corner, safe, flashlight. I want to tell ghost stories. Oh no, there's a flashlight for that. These are actually really nice sandals, so I'm going to be wearing these for most of the weekend. I don't know, I think these are for if you're good at magic tricks. I don't know how to disappear though. A nice Anvia carry bag. Put the towel in there. Yes. Brought to you by Arcane Bear. That concludes the glass cubby corner. I thought this little bit was nice. It's a pull-out. It's a pull-out little bit. Shoe polish. Scrubber. This is a nice shoe polish. It's great. Go. Whoa. Shoes shined. Now, here comes the shower. The mirror. Extra moisturizing, delicate hair with a blend of wheat and soy amino acids shampoo. Conditioner. This has been a comprehensive review of it. The bathroom. I didn't eat the waffles, I swear. There are 5 different pools in the ocean here. That is a massive amount of pool and water in a very short distance. So, if you happen to like swimming, there's 5 different pools to choose from. So, we're on our wall to Tengunungan waterfall here in Bali.